Jamie here from No Code Ireland. In today's video, we're going to give you a brief overview as to what no code is, what this whole no code revolution and movement is. If that's something you're interested in finding more about, don't be afraid to subscribe to our channel, and you might let us know at the end, what are you building? No code, what's it all about? Well, it's a way of building web pages, applications, and automating processes without writing a single line of code, enabling non-technical people like you and me to build side projects, launch new online businesses, or just simply automate processes within your existing business or job. You don't have to have any experience with coding, and you don't have to incur expensive developer costs. No code is really breaking down barriers. It's giving entrepreneurs the power to execute on what, prior to no code, it might have fizzled out at the idea stage. It gives people the ability to test out ideas and to test them out fast. No more hitching your wagon to that one idea, requiring you to invest heavily both all of your time and your life savings to even just get it to a prototype or a minimum viable product stage. Now you can put ideas out there, quickly get to MVP stage, and without incurring much budget, and also learn with real-time feedback and from other members within the no-code movement. No code, it's really just as much a way of thinking for the resourceful employee as it is a revolution in starting online businesses or launching passion projects. Citizen developers, they use no-code tools to transform processes within their companies and to automate repetitive tasks. The IT department, it's no longer confined to those who are strictly employed as IT professionals. It's truly incredible what you, yes, even you, can build with no-code tools. And the universe of no-code tools, it continues to grow every day, adding new powers and abilities to all of us no-coders out there. Possibilities, the opportunities afforded by the no-code movement, they're so vast. For the enterprising individuals out there, it'll feel like there's literally not enough time in the day. So what are we all waiting for? You can build a website just like our no-code.ie webpage, linked in the comment section below, in a matter of minutes using a tool like Software. Or you can create an automation control center for your business using a tool like Airtable combined with Zapier. If you have an app idea, you can build that too. You can use Adalo or Glide or Bubble. Our tools section on our website gives an overview of the many tools that we experienced to date. This is nowhere near an exhaustive list. Anything you thought you couldn't do or you thought you would need a developer to make, well, you don't really have any excuses anymore. You can make it. So I suppose the only question that remains, what will you build or what are you currently working on? You might let us know in the comment section below. We love to hear about everybody's projects out there. And thank you very much for watching.